What is the stock market? So, you got some cash, maybe from an allowance, or that money your grandma gave you for your 7th birthday.
Here you go, sweetie.
Woohoo! Thanks, Grandma! Whatever it is, what are you gonna do with it? Spend it, hide it away, or maybe invest it? Let's start learning how to make that money grow. Time to learn how to be a cash kid. Hey you guys, it's Cash Kid, back again with another episode to help you become a cash kid yourself. So listen up. Today we're talking about what is the stock market. Now, I'll let you think about what you already know for about 10 seconds. Ready, set, go. Now that you thought about it, I'll answer the question. The stock market is a way for you to be a part owner of a company by investing in that company. What companies can you invest in? Only those that are listed as publicly traded companies. Each publicly traded company has an index, such as the New York Stock Exchange, otherwise known as the NYSE, or the NASDAQ, and the big one, the S&P 500. But I'll talk more about those in another episode. Alright, let's break it down. You can set a certain amount of money in the company depending on what the stock price is. And you are now a part owner of that company. But you took a risk when you set your money in that company. If the company does well, you'll gain money. Woo! But if the company doesn't do well, you can lose money. When you set your money into that company, you're lending the company money, hoping the company does well. And if they do, you make more money. There are different types of stocks, and stocks fall under different categories like gold, silver, oil, electricity, nuclear power, medicine, books, and even groceries. More about that in another episode. Coming up, the difference between the primary and secondary market.
Do you want to increase your company's visibility and brand awareness? Then turn to the video experts at Gradient Media to grow your business. Gradient Media is your full-service video, motion graphics, and animation studio. Gradient works with companies of all sizes to tackle their video marketing needs from ads, explainer videos, demos, animation videos, and much more. Contact them or check them out online today at gradient.media.
Now, I'm going to tell you guys the difference between the primary and secondary market. In order for you to invest in a company, it must be a publicly traded company. It's issued an IPO or initial public offerings to allow others to start investing in a company. Like you, for instance. The primary market allows companies to issue and sell their shares to the public at a set price, like $50 per share. To enable this process, the company will need a marketplace to sell, and the stock market provides this. The stock market acts as a trading platform for trading, buying, and selling of stocks. This is referred to as the secondary market activity. The stock market maintains company announcements, news, and financial reporting accessible through their official websites. Okay, I hope that didn't overwhelm you. It will become clearer over time as we start to talk to some stock market pros in future podcasts to break it down for us. That's it for now. See you next time. Remember, Anyone can be a cash kid, but we got to learn how to become one. Cash kid out.